Okay, guys, we got a train coming here. We got kind of a bend, Horseshoe Bend right here. And here comes our train. I got my scanner. Here it comes. It doesn't use a horn for right here. See how quiet it is? Woo, 3 of them. I was waving at him, he bobbed his horn. See how this curve is right here? Graffiti. They got this bend right here. It's really neat the way they come around. It's kind of like a horseshoe bend. Straight shot right there, looks like. Let's get off. Using the radio here, scanner. I heard it at my house, and I traveled 10 miles up the road to intersect it right here. Now, he should come on in just a minute and say that he's coming into Harlem, which is like 6 miles. That train just went by at least a mile long. So wait for him to sound off here. But yeah, you had 3 locomotives there. Each one of those locomotives weighs about 400,000 pounds. I think there may be another train up here holding that may be coming this way too. Okay, guys, we got a train coming here. I just heard it on the scanner, north of Thompson. You don't hear them at all. Notice that. That's how people get run over on tracks when they don't know. Now I'm going to step up here on this embankment. Okay, you hear the bell ringing, which usually means he's about 27 seconds away from this intersection, but he's going pretty slow. I think that he may be just an engine only, not a train, but just the engine. Yeah, he is really slow. I'm just climbing down. Now there is a business right over here, and so I don't know, he may be going to pick up some cars from right there. But listen, can you hear that diesel engine, that CSX engine? Barely hear it. Again, when they're just sitting there idling, it's like a pickup truck with a diesel engine. Doesn't make much noise at all.
You got protection in place. Engine 2058 out.
No, I can see the conductor there was talking just a minute ago. Then the engineer was answering him. I think that was the engineer.
I got move on block. You talk to EOP.
So we're just scanning their frequency. So he's pulling the engine, leaving those cars there. The bells are sounding off again. Yeah. I've seen that conductor on the back several times.
728, 28 southbound, clear signal. South end Thompson for the engine 2058 out.
2058 engine. So he's dropped that. He's going to pick up something. They got two conductors.
Hey, here we go, under 4.
Alright, so.
Open the clear, take him on ahead.
Okay, he's going to get back on this side track, looks like. Okay, so he's swapped over onto this right track now. Okay, here he comes back. It looks like he's only moving about 7 miles an hour. He should be bumping on hard. This train pole doesn't have arms. Nice train. So you heard that train go by me, and it's not far. I mean, you can see this ditch right here. It sounds like a car running. Again, that's one of the big reasons you got to be very careful with train tracks. You're not supposed to be on them, period. But okay, this looks like our same train we just saw a minute ago. We got two conductors on the back. Some people call them brakemen. We got
Looking all good. About 12 some cross, the light flash and break down, everything good.
Now notice how quiet it is. You don't hear it coming. That's why you don't play on train tracks.
The cross is still good for about 50, 60 cars.
You don't hear it coming. It's so dangerous that way, guys.
I was going on the cross. Like I said, still good about 50, 60.
I see this graffiti gives this car a little bit of character, and that one, and that one. Some old buildings right here. That's an old building beside it on that red right there. See how old this building is? Here's another picture of the old building too, and here comes our train. like he dropped off a couple here. There's a nice bend down there too. You hear the horn. Should be coming around that bend in just a minute. It's something about a railroad track. You can hear the horn. Seems like a lot farther in some ways. Train's been holding for a while, and behind me there's a train on the side, which has got a short train to it, but it's on the side track. And I heard the traffic just a minute ago that the guy coming from Camac said he was coming from Camac, so I knew he was only like from here maybe 7 miles or 8 miles away. So this is where kind of the anticipation comes. What kind of train is this going to be? How many engines on this train? How many cars on this train? What type of cars on this train? They're all types. There are over a dozen different types of cars that can be on a train. And right now I see the light, and that looks like a mile away from here. But you see the light. You hear it echoing down through here. There's an intersection up there. I'm going to get on the side up here.
Signal clear. Southbound Q198, 28 CSX 137.
That's him talking right there on this train coming right now. Okay, this is going to be a double-decker train here, so it's going to be a pretty good-sized train. Got a lot of empty cars right there that no doubt will fill up. They've already dumped those.
What's going on, man? One guy making a little extra money. Man, I hear you. We appreciate you getting in the clip. They definitely wanted us to go on up there and get done. I'll let y'all get out and do your work before that 542 comes through. I think that's the plan. I'm going to tell them where I'm.
Train coming here. They do have a few cars on this one right here. CSX. 2 locomotives. Get a clear image. What are y'all doing, man? 593, 322 inch. those are gravel cars right there. They carry coming from the rock quarry.